Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? So this guy, Stickman, he cracks his knuckles like this, and you can hear it. It's so loud, I can't even look at it. Let's test it out. So we'll do it. We'll see if he gets arthritis. 1 year later, 2 years later, 3 years later, 4 years later, 5 years later, 6 years later, 7 years later, 8 years later, 9 years later, 10 years later, still no arthritis. So let's test it again. This time we'll do it louder. So there you go. That's louder. Still no arthritis. So I think we can safely say that cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Now it's just gas bubbles popping.